Hi everyone, welcome to this lecture on IAS 12. Now I'm going to take the fluff out of the standard and we are going to focus on basic important principles in this lecture. The objective of IAS 12 is to indicate to us how to account for current and future tax consequences. I will cover the definitions throughout the lecture, but you can also view IAS 12 paragraph 5 in terms of the detailed definitions. We are going to cover measurement in terms of our current and deferred tax. Now, when you read through the standard and they indicate to you measurement, this is the calculations. How do we calculate an amount? We will also cover recognition. This will be how do we recognize the amount that we've calculated in terms of our journals, again for current and deferred tax, and then important, our presentation and disclosure of current and deferred tax. Now, when you read presentation, do you know what this means? You will have to present an amount on the face of your financials in the statement of financial position or profit and loss. Disclosure refers to the note, and this will support the amount on the face of your financial statements. Therefore, this lecture I've divided into 4 parts. It is crucial that you understand the difference between current and deferred tax. Therefore, first we will cover our current tax, recognition and measurement. We will move on to deferred tax, recognition and measurement. I've added a few important principles that we need to cover in today's lecture, and then we will move on to the presentation and disclosure of our current and deferred tax.